Hey, what's up? Do you already have electric toothbrush? If not, then I have a good news for you. Right now you can buy the new electric toothbrush. It is smart, lightweight and elegant. If you already have the electric toothbrush, then this one will be a good upgrade, because it has LED display to change intensity level. Okay, let's talk about main features of Oclean Z1 electric toothbrush. By the way, buying the new toothbrush today, you will get a discount price and gifts, such as charging base and a wall holder. The details are in description under the video. The main feature of Oclean Z1 is LED display. It doesn't show time, brushing mode, etc. However, it allows to change the intensity level. In general, there are 32 intensity levels. The display has 3 segments, with low intensity, medium intensity and high intensity. This is a great feature, because you can choose the intensity for sensitive teeth, crowns, etc. The new Oclean Z1 has brushless motor that provides a frequency of 40,000 RPM. The toothbrush is really powerful, but quite enough. The maximum noise is 45 decibels. Oclean Z1 has 800 mAh battery. The battery life is about 30 days on a single charge. Also, the toothbrush supports fast charging. It takes only 2 hours to charge the battery. Finally, the last feature of Oclean Z1 and other electric toothbrushes from this company is mobile app. Using the mobile app on smartphone, you can choose from 20 brushing modes and even create your own mode. As you know, everyone has a different teeth, different condition, sensitivity, etc. Customizable modes are a great way to set up the toothbrush for yourself. Of course, I didn't tell you about all the features of Oclean Z1 toothbrush, for example IPX7 water resistance. I will leave the link in description with all information about new toothbrush and even table with comparison of Oclean Z1 with other Oclean toothbrushes. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.